Hi students, good evening everybody. So, these are the problems of exercise 8.9. From now onwards, we are going to have the most important problems for the board exam. These are the important problems, models. So, this is one method. Integral dx by either denominator is in terms of sin x or cos x or sin x cos x combined, there is no problem. We have to make one substitution. I will tell you the procedure here. First question, let I is equal to, very interesting and important problem, dx upon 2 plus cos x. In this case, we have to use submultiple angles for cos. Already we have seen cos 2 theta formula, right? Cos 2 theta formula in terms of tan theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. For this I want only cos theta. If you want to have cos theta, in the place of theta we have to write theta by 2. That means 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, sin theta also we can write 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So wherever we have sin and cos, we will be changing them into terms of tan theta by 2. So let x equal to tan theta by 2, tan theta by 2. This is in terms of x, no? So I will take tan x by 2 equal to t. Clear? First what should you do? Take tan x by 2 equal to t. The problem given integral is going to be changed into terms of tan x by 2. Write the derivative immediately. Secant square x by 2. Tan x by 2 derivative. Secant square x by 2. X by 2 derivative 1 by 2. X dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. 2 dt by secant square x by 2 means how do we write? 1 plus tan square x by 2 from the second identity. So 2 dt by 1 plus this is t square. So in the place of dx, we have to write dt by 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So here in the first problem we have cos x, right? So cos x equal to, what is my formula here? 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So in the place of tan x by 2, if you write t, so in the place of cos x, we will write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. That means the problem is going to be changed into terms of t's. So if you substitute this integral, dx means 1 by, first write 1 by 2 plus, what is cos x here? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So very easy if you understand. Take LCM. That LCM term can be brought into the numerator. So 1 plus t square upon 2 times 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square. That is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. 2 integral 1 by 2 plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square dt. So 2 times 2t square minus t square 1t square plus 3. 3 means I can write root 3 whole square. What is the formula for that? Already I told you 1 by a square plus x square, standard formula, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So 2 times 1 by a means root 3, tan inverse of x means t by a means root 3 plus c. 2 by root 3 times tan inverse of t means what? Tan x by 2 by root 3 plus c. Therefore, integral dx upon 2 plus cos x equal to 2 by root 3 tan inverse of tan x by 2 upon root 3 plus. That is the final answer. Okay? So this is the way we have to solve it. So this calculation is common for every problem. Suppose problem has sin x, we will write 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. If problem has only cos x, we will use this formula. Okay? This calculation is common for every problem. Let us do second one. So calculation is same. So here what I am doing is integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. So here integral becomes 1 by 5 plus 4 times, in the place of cos x I told you to write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So integral 1 plus t square by this denominator term will come into the numerator, 5 times 1 plus t square plus 4 times 1 minus t square, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Cancel. Integral 1 by 5 plus 5t square plus 4 minus 4t square, 2 dt. 2 times integral 1 by 5t square minus 4t square, t square, 5 plus 4 9, that can be 3 square dt. So it looks like we have standard integrals, that is integral 1 by a square plus x square dx is also, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, standard integral. So how do we write that? 2 times 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 2 by 3 tan inverse of t means what? Tan x by 2 by 3 plus c. That is the final answer. Therefore, integral dx upon 5 plus 4 cos x equal to 2 by 3 tan inverse of tan x by 2 upon 3 plus c. That is the final answer. Right? So this exercise is of this type only, integral. So we are entering now methods of integration. This is the first method. Denominator of the given integral has, in terms of sin and cos, or sin cos separately, we have to take tan x by 2 equal to t and change the problem into terms of t and follow the procedure. Thank you.